Animals have been on coins for thousands of years. Canada has best animals on coins with beaver, bison, caribou, falcon, horse, loon, and polar bear. Ireland has the wonderful red deer. South Africa has the wildebeest, antelope. Many countries like to have the traditional lion. Birds on coins date back thousands of years. Antelopes and birds are two of the animals that date back thousands of years on coins. Modern banking traces to the 1100s in Italy. So it is very, very common to find coins all around the world with animals depicted on them.